Domino has a number of options for rectifying model issues, with built-in monitoring for data drift and model quality, the option to schedule automatic updates, and integration with a number of third-party tools. Domino has integrated monitoring for models that were built and hosted in our infrastructure, but can also be set up to collect data drift or model quality for external or third-party models, including those in remote environments. When looking at drift, we'll save the data you use during training and compare that to what's being brought in when the model is called. You can choose from a number of statistical measures or add your own custom metrics. Then you set a cadence for how often checks can be run and folks that should receive email alerts. You can also filter in the dashboard and interactively explore the changes in distribution. Model quality checks are configured in a similar manner. We add a number of standard metrics, and you can also set your own customizations up. The schedule is set separately from data drift, so you have fine-grained control over how models are assessed. And regression models come with cohort analysis, giving you feedback on what might be going wrong with your model and what types of data the model is underperforming for. Remediation is easy, with the ability to spin up a session with the model using the same hardware and environment. Updates to models can also be scheduled if auto retraining is needed to bring in new data. In addition to model monitoring, we make it easy for team leaders in IT to see all the deployed assets with key information, such as the usage and last updates in our assets portfolio. Lastly, many customers find that cost is an important metric when tracking their models. Our FinOps modules help admins control and monitor the cost by user, project, and team. You can set budget alerts and easily create chargeback reports as well.